such a baby?
I'm 16. What's such a baby about that?
You wait, little girl, on an empty stage for fate to turn the light on. Your life, little girl, is an empty page that men will want to read on. You are 16, going on. Baby, it's time to think. Better beware, be canny and careful. Baby, you're on the You are 16, going on 17. Fellows will fall in line. Eager young lads and roués and cads will offer you food and totally unprepared are you to face a world of men. Timid and shy and scared are you, things beyond your You need someone older and wiser telling you what to do. I am 17, going on 18. I'll take care of you.
Yeah, baby!
I am 16, going on 17. I know that I'm naive. Fellows I meet may tell me I'm sweet and lovely, I believe. I am 16, going on 17, innocent as a rose. Bachelor dandies, drinkers of brandies, what do I know of those? Totally unprepared am I to face a world of men. Timid and shy and scared am I of things beyond my I need someone older and wiser telling me what to do.